In the bartender scene, a new trend could be emerging, the waste-free so-called zero-waste bar. I'm not a big fan of the word zero waste because in the end there is always something left. There is no way to bartend without producing garbage. That's why I prefer the term less waste. The trick is to prepare correctly. During the day, Konstantin Henrich will take time to process all parts of the fruit, for example, and to not produce any waste using decorative fruit during the hectic evenings in the bar.
Wir haben keine frisches Obst an der Bar.
We don't have any fresh fruit at the bar. We don't peel or zest to drizzle essential oils over the drinks. Instead, we have created essences that we use for the drinks. This way we have the same effect and avoid garbage. And the guests at the bar immediately ask us, what was that? Was that perfume?
War das ein Parfum?
Using leftovers makes you inventive. Being a less waste bartender is a very creative job.
Ich habe zum Beispiel den Kaffee.
For example, I will have a cup of coffee and use half of it to make a coffee liquor. The rest of the coffee and the coffee liquor I will then use to make an espresso martini. I will use the coffee grounds in the next drink. The coffee Negroni is an already prepared drink that I pour over the coffee grounds, and by doing that I have reused the waste, so to speak.
Wiederverwendet.
Of course, the zero-waste drink is not served with a plastic straw or a disposable saucer.